Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you, my student. Welcome to the Math Online class. Today we will learn about the length, mass, and capacity. In our daily life, we always use the knowledge to measure something. For the example, if you want to measure the length of the field maybe, or if you want to measure the weight of our body, or if you want to measure the volume of the drugs. Okay, if you want to make a cake, for the example, we must weigh the ingredients. That is some example of the knowledge in measure in our daily life. Okay, student, what will happen if we have or we make a mistake in the measure? I have an example when we make a mistake in measure something. That is the Hubble telescope that's orbit in 1990. It's have a mistake in measure the mirror. What happened with the telescope? It sent to the astronaut the blur picture. At the first time, when it's orbit at the first time, it looked like there is nothing happen. It's good, it's going well. But after the telescope sent a picture, the picture was blurred. Why it's happened? It happened because the measure of the mirror is wrong. It's only a little mistake, but it can give a big effect for us. After that, the astronaut fixed the problem, and then the telescope can send to the astronaut the good picture, the amazing picture. Okay, student, that is the one example of the useful of the measure. Student, if we want to measure something, we must know how to choosing the suitable units. Here I want to give the information about the suitable units that we will use in our measure. Here, the metric units for length. There are millimeters, and then centimeter, meter, and then kilometer. How about the mass? In mass, there are gram, kilogram, ton, and how about the capacity? Capacity is the volume of liquid maybe. We will use milliliter, and then we will use liter. That is the metric units. Okay, how about the area and volume? For area, then we will use the square pattern like millimeter square, and then centimeter square, meter square, and then kilometer square. How about the volume? We use the cube pattern like millimeter cube, centimeter cube, meter cube, and kilometer cube. Okay, student, we must use it in the right measurement. Student, in Indonesia, we usually use meter or kilometer. But in another country like UK, USA, and Liberia, they use mile. How we compare the mile and kilometer? Let's see the picture here. A kilometer is about 5/8 mile. So we see here in the picture, if the length of 1 mile is here in the blue line, we will know the length of 1 kilometer in the black line. So you can imagine that the kilometer is shorter than 1 mile. Student, from the problem example that I have given to you, this is the answer. We can see the answer. The width of the field is 8 meters, and then the length of the field is x plus 5 meters. The circumference of the field is 54 meters. From the head, we can use the formula circumference equal with 2 times length plus width, and then 54 equal with 2 times x plus 5 plus x. 54 equal with 2 times 2x plus 5. Divide with 2 for all numbers. 54 divide with 2. For x, divide with 2. 10 divide with 2. And then we can find that 27 equal with 2x plus 5. 27 minus 5 equal with 2x plus 5 minus 5. And then 22 equal with 2x. And then 22 divided with 2. 2x divided with 2. And we can find x equal with 11. We learn about the measure of the length, mass, and capacity. I hope you can understand and know the useful of that knowledge and use it in our daily life. Nice to meet you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.